Respected Chairman and Honorable Chief Guest, I present unto you the following candidates who are present here to receive their degree and medals in person in the Faculty of Information and Communication Engineering, who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive their degree. BE Electronics and Communication Engineering. Muthulakshmi D, Gold Medalist. Nithila A, Silver Medalist. Ahilandeshwari K, Amuda V, Anandan K, Balaji R, Bharati Priyadarshini, Bharatidasan P, Siranjeevi M, Divya M, Divya K, Haripriya, Indumati R, Jagadish M, Janani G, Jayachandran M, Jagadishan S, Kalyana Sundar B, Karthik N, Karthikeyan J, Mahalakshmi R, Mahalakshmi M, Manigandan G, Narayanan Bas, Nitya B, Praveena R, Rajalakshmi B, Raji H, Ramkumar N, Renuga K, Revati K, Saravanakumar M, Sasikumar G, Sendil Kumar S, Shahul Hamid S, Shanmuga Prabhu D, Sindhuja M, Srinivasan J, Sukumar D, Surender TC, Uma Maheshwari S, Veeramani K, Venkatesan S, Venkatraman P, Vijay G, Vijay J, Dinesh M, Napoleon G, Raghu S, Raja C, and Satya S. Respected Chairman and Honorable Chief Guest, I present unto you the candidate Aishwarya R and other 11 candidates to receive their degree in absentia in the Faculty of Information and Communication Engineering, who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree. Thank you.